Algebra for grade 6. Definition. Algebra is the branch of mathematics in which letters and other journal symbols are used to represent the numbers. The most common used letters to represent numbers are X, Y, and Z, are mostly used to represent variable quantity. Before we are going to discuss algebraic expression and equation, we need to know what are the variables, constant, and coefficient in algebraic expression and equation. Variables. Those things which change its value are called variables, mostly represented by letters x, y, and z. The most common example of variable is human. From baby to old man or woman, and the time which always changes. So anything which change its position, its value is called variable. The constant, those things which remain unchanged or fixed value, mostly represented by numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, and etc. are the example of constant. The more example of constant and very visible example of constant is time, is a table, chair. It will never become a big or small with the passage of time. Anything which cannot change its position, its values, and its size, its remain same with the passage of time, is called constant. Now, coefficient. When variable and constant are represented together, the number or the constant part or represent the coefficient of that variable. Example of coefficient: 2x, 3y, 4z. Here 2, 3 and 4 are representing the coefficient of the variables of x, y and z. So any number attached with the variable is called coefficient of that variable. Here in this expression 2x plus 3y plus 4, there is x and y represent variable, 2 and 3 which is attached with x and y are representing coefficient, and the 4 which is alone is represent the constant part of the algebraic expression. In these examples, we need to find out variable, constant and coefficient. In the example 1, 2x plus 5y plus 6z plus 6. Here we have 2, 5, 6 which are attached with x, y and z are the coefficient of that variables. X, y, z represent the variables, and the 6 alone is represent the constant part of the expression. So we can say 2 is the coefficient of variable x, 5 is the coefficient of variable y, 6 is the coefficient of variable z, and 6 alone is represent constant part of expression. Algebra divided into two parts: expression and equation. Expression: variable, constant and coefficient with operator plus, minus, multiply, division grouped together is called expression. The example of expression is 2x plus 3y minus 5z minus 4. The second example is 2 in bracket x plus 3. Here 2 is multiply x and multiply 3. The answer of this is 2x plus 6. The another example is 4 by 3 or 4 divided by 3 or 4 upon 3 multiply 2x plus 6. Here 4 by 3 is multiply 2x, then multiply 6. So in all of these three examples, these are the expressions in algebraic terms. Now, what is equation? Equation when two expressions are joined together with equal sign. When two expressions are joined together in equal sign is called equation. Here the example 2x plus 3y is equals to 10 and 3x plus 2 equals to 5y. If you see in the B example 3x plus 2 in one expression which is joined 5y another expression by symbol equal. In A, 2x plus 3y is joined with another expression 10 with the sign equal. So, two expressions which join together with equal sign is called equation. In algebra, we are simplify and expand the expression and equation. Here we have simplification, the expression. For the simplification of expression, we need to follow two steps. Number one, arrange the like terms, means all the same variables are lined up together, and use the operators plus, minus, multiply and division between them to simplify them. Example 1. Simplify 2x 5y plus 3x minus 2y plus 5. Here we have 2x and plus sign 3x is the same variable and 5y minus 2y is the same variable plus 5 is the constant. Now the 2x and 3y having a sign or indicator plus, so we add up together, it's become 5x. Now 5y and 2y having an indicator or sign subtract, so we subtract 2y from 5y and get 3y. The 5 is alone and is constant, so there is nothing subtract or add in 5, so is leave as it is. So the final answer we have after using the operator 5x plus 3y plus 5 is the simplification form of 2x plus 5y plus 3x minus 2y plus 5. Expanding of expression and equation. Expanding of expression. Expanding is the opposite of simplification. When doing expanding, keep bit mass, bracket, indices, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction in your mind. Example of expanding. Expand following. Number 1, 2 in bracket x plus 3. Solution. Here 2 is multiply x and then multiply 3. So we multiply 2 with x, which become 2x. There is a positive sign, we put it the positive sign, and the 2 also have a positive sign, so positive signs remain unchanged. Then 2 multiply with 3, so 2 times 3 becomes 6. So the expand of the 2 in bracket x plus 3 is 2x plus 6 is the answer. Here we are expanding the expression by multiplying 2 with x and 2 with minus 4. So 2 times x is 2x and 2 times minus 4 is 2 times 4 is 8 and plus minus minus, so 2x minus 8 is the answer. In the example 2, we have 4 in bracket x plus 1 minus 3 in bracket x minus 2. Now 4 is multiplied with x, it's become 4x. 4 is multiplied by 1, it's become 4, and because the sign of 4 is plus and one sign of 1 is also plus, so it's plus. Now minus 3 multiply x, so plus minus minus, and 3 times x is 3x. Again minus 3 multiplied by minus 2, so minus minus plus, and 3 times 2 is 6, so plus 6. Now we arrange the like terms and use the indicator. So 4x is like term is minus 3x and 4 like terms is 6. So we arrange all the like terms and use the indicator. 4x minus 3x, so only 1x or x is remaining. In the similar way, 4 plus 6 is become 10. So the answer is x plus 10.